You need to go into your court cases smiling. When I go into court, I sit in the back of the room. I'm going to turn my barricade around now. I sit in the back of the room. And when the judge walks in, the bailiff goes, "All rise for the Honorable Bob Smith." I make a concerted effort to lean back and put my feet up. Because that's what the boss does when the employee walks into the room. See? Slaves rise when they're told. So when the boss walks in the room, the employees stand up. See? But I don't. I don't turn over jurisdiction right there at all. When he calls me by name, I stand up. When my very first foot hits the floor, I start talking. I got to get a lot of words out before I get up front. I say, "I'm here, Your Honor, by special divine appearance, calling for a constitutional court of record to ask for a summary judgment of the truth and the facts put down in my documents, my court of record." And then I get ready. And I lay out my peace flag, and I lay out my gold and my silver, and I lay out my trust, and I lay out my superior titles, and I lay out my contracts, having taken dominion over my jurisdictions, and then I say, "I'm ready, Your Honor." Are you? And I just do it nicely, calmly, and nicely. And when he gives me an opportunity to speak again, because it's now his turn for a second, he's got a little business he's got to take care of at this point. I've scared the crap out of him. Okay? When it comes back to me, I say, "I'm in peace and I'm in honor, Your Honor. I expect you to remain in honor as well. I have my trusts in hand, Your Honor. It clearly states who the executor, who the trustee is, and who the beneficiary is. And it ain't you, and it ain't the prosecutor. So you must be acting as executor de tort, or false executor. For I am the true executor of the estate." And then I say, "And Your Honor, I have my superior titles." I can lose things up here faster than anybody on earth. I have my superior titles, my apostilled birth certificates, my manufacturer's statement of origins on my vehicles, my land patents and grant deeds on my property. See, I'm the king. I own my castle. Do you? Your Honor, here's my gold and silver. I will not be considered a pauper. For the money I have on this table is more money than you have in your bank account. And Your Honor, I have my contracts. I have my trademarks, my copyrights, and my patents. Are you willing to commit patent infringement, copyright infringement, or say I'm in breach of a contract? See, Your Honor, I am fully unaware of any contract that could compel me to perform. And if there is such a contract, bring it forward, and I'll follow it to the full extent of the law. But if there's not, we're done here. The king is busy. Okay, just dismiss the case with prejudice. We'll call it a day. You want to go out for tacos? You think that's funny? I do it all the time. When you have your affairs in order, you precede that court. What is a summons? It's a seance. Summons equals seance. They're calling the dead into court, and you just appear. It's called general appearance. They've done their ritual in their black robes, and they've called you in, and you just appear by general appearance. There's only two ways to appear in court: general and special. See, what I said when I got up off the chair and I put my first foot forward was, I'm here, Your Honor, by special divine appearance, calling for a constitutional court. Did you hear what I said? By special divine appearance. I'm a living soul. I'm calling for a constitutional court of record to ask for a summary judgment of the truth and the facts placed upon the record by my documents, my court of record. When you appear by special appearance, you are there for one, you are turning over, let's say it this way, you are turning over jurisdiction for one reason and one reason only, and that's to settle the matter. That's it. Not to be fined, not to get jail time, not for anything else. It's to settle the matter. What is an indictment?